Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the ropes on how to create an OnlyUp game in Bonfire. OnlyUp is a 3D platformer that's trending right now. Your mission? Climb to the top, dodge obstacles, and try not to lose your cool. Let's kick things off by adding a map and setting up these first few boulders that your player will need to scale. In my Bonfire OnlyUp game, I'm using the low poly Viking village map. If you don't have it yet, no worries. Just click the Asset Config button at the top menu. From there, download the Low Poly Village and the Low Poly Animals packs. These packs contain the assets, or sparks, that we'll be working with. In Bonfire, sparks are just 3D objects, whether they're living or not. So when I mention sparks, think assets. They're basically the same thing. I'll use both terms interchangeably. Now that we've got the assets downloaded, let's go ahead and spawn the pre-made Low Poly Village in the Map Explorer. You'll find it in the map browser under the Low Poly Village folder. Just drag and drop the Low Poly Village demo map into the Map Explorer or Map Editor. And there you go. With our village map in place, it's time to add those boulder obstacles. Head over to the Spark browser, which is where all your assets or sparks are stored. Navigate to the Low Poly Village and Nature folder, and find the Big Rock sparks. Just drag and drop them into your map and position them as needed. I'm going to go ahead and arrange these now. You can also resize each boulder to fit the look you're going for. Now that our map and boulders are set up, let's hit Save so we don't lose our progress. In Bonfire, your project is called a book, so I'll be using the terms book and project interchangeably. All right, we've saved our book, or project, so let's give it a test run. Go to the Map Explorer and try climbing over the boulders we just placed. Awesome. Everything's looking good. Catch you in the next video, where we'll add even more sparks and get our player climbing higher and closer to finishing our OnlyUp game.